Hello everyone, welcome to 2022. I'm hopping on because we are debuting a new mini catalog tomorrow, January through June catalog, also a new celebration brochure. So I can't show you that yet, not till it comes out till tomorrow, but I am able to show you the things I was able to pre-order as a demonstrator. So I can give you a little sneak peek. So if you hang on, I'll switch my camera and we'll take a look at the goodies. Alrighty, let's get started. I wanted to show you real quick just the cover, because that's all I'm allowed to show you right now, is the cover to our mini catalog, January through June. It does start on Tuesday, January 4th, and along with it we have Celebration, which goes from January 4th through February 28th. And if you're not familiar with Celebration, let me fill you in real quick. What it is you get to choose out of this brochure free items for every $50 or $100 you purchase. And that can be from the mini catalog as well as the annual catalog. Your choice, mix and match, that's great. So tomorrow we'll go through the catalogs when I can open them for you. But for right now, I'm allowed to show you what I was able to pre-order. We didn't get to pre-order the entire catalog, which is probably a good thing, but I do have some things I want to show you. So let's set that aside. And I'm going to start with, you're going to want to know the names. And I'm not going to know the names. This is, let's see, I didn't think about that before I started. This is our Sweet Talk bundle, or actually Sweet. The bundle would be just the dies and the stamp set, but the Sweet also includes some ribbon, some gems, iridescent rhinestone basic jewels, and these sweet treat little boxes. And I'll be making that one for you later in the week. Let's see. Oh, and I'm missing one thing. Oh, the gingham embossing folder. That is also included in the Sweet. There you go. Oh, I can't wait to try that one out. Okay. Whoa. Well, I guess we're going to go with this one next because it just tipped over. But we are getting a slim card die. Slim cards are all the rage. If you didn't know, they fit in a number 10 regular envelope. You probably got tons at home. But they also came out with a package of envelopes to go with the slimline dies. Let's see if we can open it up and oh boy. Okay, what I need is my snips. That'll open this up, but I can't. Oh, yeah, I need my paper snips. You can find these in the annual excuse me, the annual catalog, and I just love them. Let's see. I didn't think I needed a small pair of scissors, but man, these are sharp. They get the job done. Let's see, here we go. So it looks like we have green, like a sage, gray, and then white. There you go. So not only do we have the envelopes and the dies, we also have a stamp set to go for those longer cards. Okay, let's see. What else? What else? we have a rainbow set, Rainbow of Happiness. There is coordinating paper in the celebration brochure, and I will show you that when I get to that. Oh, I forgot to show you this paper. This also comes with that Sweetheart or Sweet Talk suite. Let me open this up for you. See how much easier that was? Because they're sharp. Alright. See if I can flip through here. Our paper is two-sided. Flip through. Looks like maybe you get two of each in here. Alright, and this way. Ooh, those are lollipops. Yum. I love heart things. I would say I collect them, but maybe not so much anymore. Let's see if I can get this. I think that's the last one. Yep. All right. So anyway, I forgot to show you that. That went with the Sweet Talk bunch. All right. So we have a Rainbow of Happiness stamp set. Honeybee Home. And that has some coordinating paper in the January to June catalog. Daffodil Daydream. This also has coordinating paper. Love and Happiness cling set. Hang on. I want to make sure this is not a celebration item. There is a Sains one in there. Oh, it's a different one. Okay, so that'll be in the new catalog. In the Moment. Blessings of Home. An Amazing Silhouette. I have, I think it's this set. Ooh, ooh. We had a demonstrator conference not too long ago, and thousands of demonstrators made cards together from their home. So there was a couple of cards I wanted to show you that we made. Alright, now those are all the stamp sets. Let's get with the dies. The Flowers of Home. We have the Brilliant Rainbow dies that go with the rainbow set, that go with the paper in the celebration. Daffodil dies. Ooh, a Hive embossing folder. That ought to be fun to try. Honeybee Blooms dies. I can't wait to show you the catalog so you can see what I'm talking about. Bouquet of Love. Hybrid embossing folder. Let's see. I can't tell if this is two things or if it's stuck together. Oh. It looks like there's two things in here, so I'll have to check that out. And then we've got the flowers. Oh yeah, that's what I used to make these cards. This is called the Flowers of Home dies. And, oop, that was from something else. Alright, now I want to show you the ribbon. Let's see. This is 3/4 inch ribbon in basic white, kind of ribbed. And this is Denim Ribbon. This is open, I can kind of show you. Look at that. soft. Let's see if I can get this open quickly. I can show you this ribbon. Oh wow, this is really soft. I don't know if you can see. I don't think it's meant to be shimmery. Maybe it is, but yeah, it looks a little bit shimmery. All right, frayed ribbon. So soft. And then we have some new embellishments. I cannot wait to try these. We have the faux sea glass shapes. That? Think of a beachy card? Yes. Oh, yes. Then we have pebbles enamel shapes. Garden, maybe? I don't know. We'll see. Beach also. Yeah. And then, of course, we have classic matte dots, which I may have just pulled out to make those cards now that I think about it. They might be in the annual catalog. But look at this. The brushed brass butterflies. Oops, some of them are trying to fly away. Wow, I'm probably blinding you, sorry. But that's all I have for today. Oh, no, I don't. I didn't show you the celebration items. Oh, and I didn't even show you. See, I'm in a hurry. Breathe, slow down. There's some paper in the January to June catalog that I didn't show you. This is the Heart and Home. This is what I made those cards with. Let's see if we can flip through here. Okay. Let's see if we can get the other side now. I love this wood grain. Giving me some ideas. There's also some wood grain and tile looking designer series paper in the annual catalog. So if you like that look, check that out. Yes. All right. And I think that's it for that. Now I'm going to show you some from the celebration item. Now, these you can get free with either a $50 or $100 order, and that is from either or the January to June catalog, as well as our annual catalog. Look at this. We have Catching Butterflies stamp set. Look at this. You make my heart happy. I say that all the time. Oh, collecting sweet thoughts of you. And then we have, this is probably my favorite, Awesome Otters. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I've got some ideas I want to try with that. So you'll be seeing a few cards there. And then and those are each with the $50 purchase. Then we have some designer series paper. This is Daffodil Afternoon. I mean, free. Free, 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 free. All right, let's look through here. We have, look at that, so pretty. I feel like I'm getting closed in on with all these stamp sets sitting here. Here we go. Oh, so pretty. I think you can see both sides of the paper this way. So look at that. Free paper. Oh my gosh, you could cut that and that could be your card front. Put a little sentiment on it. Bam, you're done. Then we have some 6x6 paper. We have Marble, Simply Marvelous. One of my kids is in the room next to me, and I'm sure they're rolling their eyes thinking Mom has gone crazy. She's talking to herself in her craft room. I mean, it's really nothing new, but they're probably like, oh, again? All right. Ooh. This is so pretty. Oh, look at all that paper you get. Oh my goodness. Wow. Ooh, that gray. Oh, sky or ocean? Yeah. With my otters. Oh yeah. Let's see, what else do we have? Oh, here's that rainbow and sunshine paper. Also free with a $50 purchase. Offhand, I don't know how much that set is, but the dies and the stamp set together, you purchase them, you get 10% off of that. And then I'm trying to think, wasn't there something else that went with it? I don't remember. All right, catalog's new. You gotta give me time to get used to it. Okay, this is the Sunshine and Rainbows Designer Series paper, free with a $50 purchase through February, I think February 28th. Look at that. Oh, I see some happy mail coming your way. Oh my goodness, so cute, so cute. And then I have one last thing to show you. This is with a $100 purchase. You get paper and the Friendly Hello stamp set. Cute as that. Let's open this up. What's your favorite so far? Comment below. Mine is definitely those otters. They are way too cute. But I have plenty of other cute stuff to buy in order to get my awesome otters for free. You cannot purchase it. All right, here we go. Oh. Wow. Oh. And I'm sure this probably looks way better in person than my old phone. Oh, I like that. Alrighty, well the catalog goes live January 4th, 4 a.m. Mountain Time. So take a look. If you have a catalog, you should be sitting down later tonight and going through it and figuring out what you'd like. If you need a catalog, please let me know. Comment below and I can get one out to you. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.